all of you are welcome in today's session. Standard third. Subject is English grammar and our topic is singular and plural. Singular and plural. So let's see what is meant by singular and what is meant by plural. Now see, singular means only one. Singular means what? Only one. If you see the pictures, you can see here baby, picture of baby, storybook and bunny. So they are on one in number. So singular means what? Singular means only one. If there is only one thing, you can say singular to it. Now next is plural. So what is mean by plural? Plural means more than one or many, you can say more than one. Now in first PPT, what you see here, there was only one baby, only one story and only one bunny. Now here there are more than one, so baby is more than one, so it becomes babies. Y is removed and IES is added. Same in the story also. In previous PPT there was only one story. Now here there are more than one story, so it became stories. So Y is removed and IES is added. Again same here. In first there was bunny and now here there are bunnies. So plural means what? More than one. Now let us see some rules for making plural form. So there are some rules to make a plural. So see what rules are there. First point, see. Most times you just add S. Yes, most of the time what we do to make a plural, if there is tree, so in plural we write trees. So we add only S. If there is ball, to make its plural we write balls. So only S is added. Then again, sometimes second point C. If the word is ending with Y, so what you have to do, you have to drop the Y and add IES. For example, candy. I have shown you that if there is one candy, we write only candies, the spelling of candy. If the candy is more than one, so what we did, how we write candies, we removed Y and we add IES. So again third point C. If the word is ending with CH, S, SH, X or Z, so what you have to add? You have to add ES to make the plural. For example, bench. The spelling of bench is BENCH. So it is ending with what? CH. So for making its plural, what we do? We add ES. So the plural of bench becomes benches. BENCHES, benches. Then next point. If the word ends with F or FE, so what we do? We drop the F and add VES. So these are some plural rules. So now we will see one by one. So first plural rule. What it says, see. Most noun adds S to make the plural. So for example, one apple, two apples. See, if you see the spelling of apple, A-double-P-L-E, in plural it becomes A-double-P-L-E-S. S is added. So apple, apples. Desk, desks. For plural, it becomes desks. Book, books. In singular, it is book, but in plural, it becomes books. S is added. Pen, pens. Shop, shops. Chair, chairs. Month, months. See, if you see the spellings carefully, so you can see that S is added to make the plural of that noun. Train, trains. T-R-A-I-N-S. S is added at the last. Name, names. Friend, friends. Teacher, teachers. So these are some examples that what we have added S at the last. See here, there are some pictures. So in singular, there is only one shoe. So we written shoe, S-H-O-E, shoe. But at the other side, you can see in the plural column that there are many shoes. So what we added there? S. In the spelling of shoe, we added S. Spelling will be same. Only the difference is what? We have to add S here. So to make the plural, what we added? S. So it becomes shoes. Now in singular, there is only one ball. But in plural, it becomes balls. S is added here. Then in singular, there is only one car. But in plural, there are many cars. So it becomes cars. C-A-R-S. S is added here. So this was the first rule. So what the first rule says? Add S. In some nouns, we add, most of the nouns we add S at the end of the spelling. So it becomes the plural. See, clock, clocks. What is the plural form of clock? Clocks. Spoon, spoons. In singular, there is only one spoon. But in plural, there are many spoons. Cup, cups. So what we did? We added S at the end of the word to make a plural. Chair, chairs. In singular, it is chair. In plural, it is chairs. Lake, lakes. River, rivers. House, houses. Tree, trees. Spoon, spoons. Table, tables. Here what we did, we added S at the end of the spelling to make a plural. See, spelling will be same. Only the difference is what? We have to add S to make a plural. Now let's see second plural rule. So what is the second plural rule? Add ES to words ending in CH, SH, S, double S, X or Z to make the plural. Now see, the words which are having CH at the end or SH or S or double S or X or Z. So what we have to add there? We have to add ES. So here the example is given. Box. Now see, in the spelling of box, what is the spelling of box? B-O-X, X. So the box, in the box there is X at the end. So to make its plural, what we add? We add E-S. So it becomes boxes, B-O-X-E-S. Then second, wish. Now if you read the spelling of wish, W-I-S-H. So it is ending with SH. The spelling of wish is ending with SH. So to make its plural, what we add? We add ES. So it becomes wishes. Then in the spelling of cross, C-R-O-S-S. It is ending with double S. So to make its plural, what we add? ES, crosses. In the bus, see, B-U-S, bus. It is ending with S. The spelling of bus is ending with S. So to make its plural, what we add here? ES. So it becomes buses. In the spelling of dish, D-I-S-H, it is ending with SH. So we will add here ES. So it becomes dishes. Fox, foxes. Beach, beaches. Waltz, waltzes. Church, churches. Loss, losses. Bunch, bunches. So now why we add ES here? Because all these spellings are ending with what? CH, SH, S, double S, X or Z. All these spellings are ending with this letter. So that's why we add here ES. So this is the second plural rule. So I hope all of you understood that where we have to add ES. So where we have to add ES in the words such as which are ending with the letters CH. If the word is ending with the letter CH, SH, S, double S, X or Z. So in such words only we have to add the ES to make the plural. See here, now in the pictures you can see which. So this word is ending with the letter CH, WITCH, spelling of which, but it is ending with the letter CH. So what will here to make its plural? We add here ES. So it becomes witches. Now in the next picture, brush. Now see, brush, in the spelling of brush, it is ending with SH. Last two words, see, SH, it is ending with SH. So what we will add here? ES. To make its plural, we will add ES. So it will become brushes. In third picture, fox. It is ending with X, F-O-X, fox. So it is ending with which letter? X. It means to make its plural, what we have to do? We have to add ES. So it will become foxes. Then glass. So this, in the word glass, it is ending with the letter double S. GLA double S. It is ending with double S. So to make its plural, what we will add? We will add ES, glasses. Then in next picture, bus. BUS, bus. It is ending with letter S. So to make its plural, what we will add? We will add ES. So it will become buses. So remember one thing, that if you find the words which are ending with CH, SH, X, double S or S. So to make its plural, what you have to do? You have to add IES. Okay. Now we see more again examples. Singular and plural. See, loss in plural it becomes losses. Box, boxes. Match. See here it is ending with the letter CH. So in plural what we did? We added ES. Matches. Tax, taxes. Dish, dishes. Glass, glasses. Bus, buses. Batch, batches. Church, churches. Glass, glasses. Watch, watches. Brush, brushes. Now let's see the third rule of plural. So what it says, when the letter before a Y is a consonant, change the Y to an I before adding an ES. Now see, if the word is ending with the Y letter, so what we have to add? We have to add IES. We have to add IES. For example, candy. It is ending with Y letter. The spelling of candy is ending with Y letter. So what we did? We removed Y and we added IES. So it became candies. So same here. Baby. It is ending with Y. BABY. At the end, there is the Y letter. So what you have to do? You have to remove Y and add IES. So it will become babies. City. Cities. Berry. Berries. Pony. Ponies. Family. Families. Reply. Replies. Lady. Ladies. If you see in the word baby, city, pony, reply, berry, family, lady, all these words are ending with what? Y. At the last, there is a Y. So, to make its plural form, what we did? We removed Y and we add IES. See, bunny, bunnies. We removed Y from the letter bunny and added IES in the plural form. So it became bunnies. Pony, ponies. Story, stories. So what this rule says? This rule says what? If the word is ending with Y letter. So you have to remove Y and you have to add IES to make it plural form. See here in singular, if you see the words, they are all ending with the Y letter. And in plural form, what we did, we removed Y and add IES. Spelling will be the same. Only the difference is what? You have to remove Y and you have to add IES to make it plural form. City, cities. Army, armies. Lady, you have to remove Y and add IES. So it will become ladies. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Bunny, bunnies. Family, families. Candy, candies. Country, countries. Lily, lilies. Fly, flies. Fairy, fairies. Now let's see the next rule. Now what next rule says? See, when words end in AY, EY, IY, OY and UY, add an S to make the plural form. Here also the words are ending with Y, but the difference is what? The vowels are coming before the Y. A, Y, A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. So these 5 vowels are coming before the Y. So that's why we are adding s to make the plural form. Donkey. Now see, it is, though it is ending with y, but what before y there is a vowel. E vowel is there. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. So before y there is the e vowel. So here we add s. So the plural form of donkey became donkeys. Day, days. See, in day, D-A-Y, day. A is there before the y, so it becomes days. Boy, boys. O is there in the spelling of boy. O is there before the y. It means it is a vowel. So S is added. Boy, boys. Key, keys. See, in singular, what you have to do? Vowel plus y. If there is vowel plus y in the singular, you have to add only s. Toy, toys. Monkey, monkeys. See, toy, toys. Boy, boys. Day, days. Key, keys. Donkey, donkeys. Monkey, monkeys. We added s in the plural form. Though these words are ending with y, but what is the difference? There is the vowel before the y. So that's why we added here s. Now plural rule 5. Now see what fifth rule says. When words end in f or fe, change the f or fe to a v before adding es. Now see, if the word is ending with the letter f or fe, what you have to add? You have to add ves. For example, knife. So in the plural form, it became knives. It is in the spelling knife, K-N-I-F-E. It is ending with letter F-E. So what you have to do? You have to remove F-E and add V-E-F. V-E-S to make it plural. Leaf. In the word leaf, see, it is ending with letter F. L-E-A-F, leaf. It is ending with F. So to make it plural, what you have to do? You have to add V-E-S. So it becomes leaves. Leaf, leaves. Half, halves. Wife, wife. Life, lives. Hoof, hoofs. Thief, thieves. In this rule, what you have to do, fifth rule, you have to remove F or FE and add VES. If the word is ending with the F or FE, so remove F or FE and add VES to make it plural. See, wolf. This word is ending with F. So in plural form, what we did, we removed F and added VES. So it became wolves. Then knife. In knife, it is ending with FE. The spelling is ending with FE. So to make its plural form, we removed FE and added VES. So it becomes knives. Now see singular and plural form. Life, lives. Now in these words, in the word life, wife, leaf, shell, self, half, these words are ending with what? Either FE or F. It is ending with either F or FE. So in plural form, what we did, we removed FE or F and added VES. So life, lives, wife, wives, leaf, leaves, shell, shells, half, half. So these are the plural forms. Next, wolf, wool. Scarf, scarves. Knife, knives. Calf, calves. But some exceptions are there. For example, roof, giraffe, chief, believe, proof. We add here s to make its plural form. Now see the sixth rule. What is sixth rule? When a word ends in an O and comes after a consonant, add es to make the plural. If the word is ending with O, so what you have to add there? Es. Tomato. Now seeing the word tomato, it is ending with O. So what we did, we added es. That becomes tomatoes. Cargo, cargoes. Mango, mangoes. So if the word is ending with O, you have to add es. You have to add es to make it plural. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Now see in these words, all these words are ending with O. So what we did, we add es to make it plural. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Mango, mangoes. Echo, ecos. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Now the last rule is what? It is irregular plurals. Irregular plurals means what? Sometimes a word may completely change its form when a plural is made. It means it is totally different. Child, children. Person, people. See, the spelling is totally changing. Man, men. Cactus, cacti. Goose, geese. Plural form of woman, women. Fungus, fungi. So these are called the irregular plurals. Irregular plurals means what? The spelling is totally different. See, man, men. Woman, women. Person, people. The plural form of person is peoples. The spelling is changing. Tooth, teeth. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Feet. Goose, geese. And sometimes a word may stay the same in both singular and plural. Sometimes what happens, the spelling remains same. There is no change. For example, fish, fish. Tuna, tuna. Deer, deer. The plural form of deer will be the same, deer. Mouse will be the same, moose. Trout, trout. Sheep, sheep. Series, series. It means there is no any difference in the plural form. See, in singular there is deer, plural also there is deer. So there is no any change in the spelling. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Now let us revise what we have learned. So let us see the summary. Rules for making plural. So what we learned the rules for making the plural. So first is what? Add s to form the plural of most nouns. Second rule, add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, s, x or z. If the word is ending with ch, sh, s, x or z, you have to add es. Third rule is what? If the word is ending with y, remove y and add es. Fourth rule is if the word is ending with y and there is a vowel before y, so add s. Then fifth rule, if the word is ending with F or FV, you have to remove F or FV and add VES. Then sixth rule, if the noun is ending with O, so what you will add? You will add ES to make it plural. Seventh one, if there is a irregular plural, so irregular word, so the in the plural form, the spelling will totally change. For example, child, children, mouse, mice. Then last one is what? In some nouns, what happens? The spelling remains same in the plural form. For example, fish, fish, deer, deer. So there is no any change in the plural form. Now it's homework time. So I hope all of you had understood the rules of the plural, the concept of singular and plural. So now it's the homework time. So what you have to do, see here, the pictures are given. So write the correct plural form of the words in the box. You have to write the correct form of in the box, the answers are given. So you have to choose the correct answer and you have to fill in these boxes. For example, in first picture, there are two bus. So its plural form, what it will become? Buses. So you have to write there buses. So in this way, you have to complete this, fill in the blanks. You have to choose correct answer from the bracket. And the second one is what? Write the name in the boxes. You have to write the names in the boxes. So in first picture, what is given there? Child. So child. In second, children. Second box, you will write children. So like this, you have to choose the correct word from the box and you have to fill in the boxes. So I hope all of you have understood the concept of singular and plural. So you have to do this homework. Okay, thank you all of you.